Yo, what's going on, everybody? Marcus Willpower here, Mr. Xauusd, and I'm back again with another weekend market analysis. So, just gonna go through the GXY like you usually do, go through gold, go through what happened, what's currently happening, and what might happen. So just starting off on the GXY on the monthly, still, the GXY is in a monthly hidden base where these two candles are almost like kissing. So it's within that zone. So I'm still expecting it to reject that zone and go bearish. So we just have to wait for that move. If it breaks above, out, and then we'll see what happens then. But for now, waiting for a rejection in that zone. If I go down to the weekly, still this order block that we've been speaking about for the past 3 weeks. It's that last week was this candle, the week before. Now this week it's finally in. So we might see maybe next week another candle inside here to reverse or something like that. So we want to see what's happening in this weekly order block. If we go down to the daily, on a daily, we can clearly see our previous high. So looking at market structure on the daily, this is my lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this is still my lower high. So the market could come still into this order block and reverse, or the market could break above, and then we start looking for some long positions on the DXY. These are the two possibilities that I see. However, we just have to survive. The market is all about surviving. So until your edge starts to kick in, just survive that period. I think that's been me this past first 3 weeks of January. I've been surviving. I'm in survival mode. My edge hasn't really been kicking in, and we're just waiting for the market to start agreeing with us. So on the DXY, I'm not gonna go past the daily because this is what I'm seeing. I need to see the market come into here, so a bit more bullish into here, and then bearish sell-off. Yeah, that's it on the DXY right now. So if I go into gold, I start off on the monthly again. Monthly still bullish. Nothing has changed. It's a monthly chart. Weekly, still bullish. So if you come here to the daily now, my swing points are here. These are my two swing points. So this was my higher low, higher high, and then we have this low. So this low is now confirmed as the new higher low until this point is broken. So the market can play between these two extremes. That's what I'm seeing on gold right now. The market can play between the blue extreme and the red extreme. Anything above this blue extreme that we're buying, anything below here is definite sells. So within this zone, what am I seeing? Let's go down to a 4-hour chart. In this zone, what am I seeing? We have these minor extremes within the two recent swing points. So right now, the market is in a noticeable downtrend here. I'm expecting it to come into here somewhere and continue selling off, maybe into this point here. There is a possibility that the market could break this point here, of which we'll start looking for longs here. Right. However, a break below this, these are definite sells. That's what I'm still seeing on gold, but let's focus on what we have right now. See everything else when we get there. So currently, we're between these two minor extremes. Right. this is a very strong buying zone because that's where the daily chart exactly. That's where we have this swing point here from the daily. The market has potential to break this zone and still buy from here. That's still a possibility. But we'll just have to see and follow market structure to tell if we're going to be buying or selling. So for now, I'm seeing gold is in a bearish trend, H4 bearish trend. We're looking to sell, looking for the market to come up into here, then give us a sell signal to go down. If I move into the other strategy, is saying the same thing. Last week, we were looking for buys. We had this zone here. And we had this fake out or maybe manipulation. I don't know. Let me put it in black. This was my analysis last week. I had said that this was a change of character because the market structure was showing bearish intent and then switched. This is what I saw. Low, lower low. This was my previous high, broken. I was expecting that movement on gold. However, we broke out. So now, as a trader, I just have to follow the market. Market broke out from where I thought I was going to buy from. I immediately switch my bias, and now I'm looking for shorts from these order blocks here. There's a hidden base in here. So I want the market to come up into here and maybe sell off from there, or come up into here and sell off from there. Anything above here, I'll be looking to take buys in maybe decision points down here. Take maybe those buys. But for now, that's my view on gold. I'm very dynamic right now. The whole point is to think in probabilities and just trade according to your edge and what you're seeing and your mechanical rules. That's what I'm just trying to do. Yes, I didn't analyze. Yes, I was wrong, but that's part of being a trader. I'm not always going to be correct. What I'm seeing and what the market wants to do, totally two different things. I read this quote that the market can remain more solvent. The market can remain more irrational than you can remain solvent, which means the market can keep doing whatever it wants to do, breaking rules longer than you can last, longer than your money can last in your account. So yeah, bias has changed for now. Short term, we're looking for bearish movement into these zones here, or further sells into here, then buys. Anything below here, that's a sell. That's what I'm seeing. So right now, what are we expecting? We're expecting maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the market to come out, maybe struggle up a bit, give us a push and movement like that, something like that. So that's my view on gold and the DXY. Right now, the market is very shaky because it's been violating and it's the beginning of the month, I guess. So yeah, just be careful, just execute and thinking probabilities, don't risk too much. Just remember you need to survive to take the next trade. So that's just how I'm approaching the market right now. Just if I get hit, it's fine. Wait for the next trade. Surely, as time goes on, my edge will kick in and I'll get a profitable trade and I'll recover my losses. Just a quick thought. I was reading Tom Hogard, his book called The Best Loser Wins, and he said that uh, when he was thinking or trying to think in probabilities to think differently from the 99%, he took a coin and flipped it 100 times to see the distribution between wins and losses on a 50-50 game. He said that when he was flipping the coin, he encountered a part where the coin landed on tails 15 times in a row. So think about that in terms of trading, whereby are you able to take 15 losses in a row? You feel me? Because at the end of the day, even if you flip a coin and it lands on tails 15 times, the distribution at the end of the 100 flips is still going to be 50-50 between heads and tails. So think about that in terms of your trading. You might take 15 losses in a row, but after 100 trades, you're going to balance out. It's going to be 50-50 wins, 50-50 losses. But always, when you win more. You're 1:5s, 1:8s, 1:7s. And when you lose just one. So you get the math. So yeah, that's just what I'm applying to the market right now. I am on a 100K account. I am down about 5K in the first 3 weeks. I've been risking. I have a 100K account, so the way I risk it is like this. I take 10,000 because that's my maximum drawdown, and I divide it by 20. So if you divide 10,000 by 20, you get 500. So I risk 500 per trade. So right now I've taken 10 trades and I've lost 10 trades. Yeah, that's about the math. Not including the trading areas and stuff like that. So right now I'm down to about 4K, which is still fine. I'm gonna reduce the risk. I'm gonna start risking about $400. That means 4,000 divided by 400. That's about 10. I still have 10 trades left, so I'm still good. So yeah, bro, that's trading. Let's just see what do we have on the news. Let me check the news. So that's trading. That's trading. But the things you go through as a trader, and you gotta see, gotta like keep working and keep trying to improve. Next week, let's look at the news. I think the only important one is the advanced GDP. I have seen some volatility on that news event. The other ones I'm not too sure. So maybe Thursday is the most important day. Sentiment, we always want to go with the minority, but right now the minority is saying long. Uh, long, yes, gold is long, but from this zone, I don't expect gold to go long from where it is right now. I'm expecting it to come lower and then go long. So if it does go long from here, which would be another crazy move, it could just go long from here. That's the market can do whatever it wants. Uh, but for now, I'm not with the majority as yet. I'm seeing short-term shorts, and then truly the longs will come. So yeah, that's my view. That's me. This is my trading journey, and I'm just recording and trying to make everything happen. You know what I mean? So yeah, Mr. Zhao, USD Marcus Willpower here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know anything that resonates with you and whatever. Yeah, bless.